Evening, children. Now in SST, that is Social Studies, we are going to do the next topic, and that topic is our neighbors. Now, who are neighbors? Neighbors means your padosi. Neighbors means the people who stay near your house. Similarly, who are our neighbors who are our neighbors in our map of India? Our neighbors are, you can always tell, our neighbors are, one is Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest. Now I told you what is northwest. North means the topmost and west means at the left side. So Afghanistan and Pakistan are our neighbors in the northwest. Bhutan and China in the north. Right in the north, upstairs Jammu and Kashmir, we have Bhutan and China. They are our neighbors. And Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. East means at the right side, Bangladesh and Myanmar are our neighbors. Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Sri Lanka is a small island. It's a separate country. It's a small country, and it is right at the south of India. And Maldives, that is again very small islands, again constitute a country. They are our neighbors in the south. So these countries are India's neighbors. So now I've told you about the neighbors: northwest neighbors, northeast neighbors, north neighbors, and the south neighbors. So what you have to do is, you have to take a map and mark these neighbors and write the neighbors of India on a separate on your SST copy as question number 1, that who are our neighbors in India, who are our neighbors in our Indian map, question number 1. And you have to mark it with different colors at your left side of the copy, that is an interleaf copy with a map. And the question number 2 which I would like to discuss is that what do we do with our neighbors? So you have your neighbors at your home. So what do you do with them? You share happiness. You are together when you talk to them. You help each other. You resolve lot of matters of your association. You do a lot of things with your neighbors, and the neighbors are your first helpers. That means whenever you are in distress, whenever you are in trouble, it is not your relatives, it is your neighbors who take care of you or who comes for your help instantly, immediately. So similarly, these neighbors of our India, they also help us whenever we are in trouble. Except Pakistan, which is our neighbor, but we don't have very good relations with them. You know that. So there is India's neighbors in South Asia include Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now all these neighbors, with these neighbors we have to strengthen ties. That is, हमें अपनी जो ties हैं, हमें अपनी relations को strengthen करना है, इनके साथ अपने relation को मजबूत करना है. और पीस मतलब शांति और यूनिटी बनाने के लिए हमें इनसे बातचीत करनी है. So India has joined hands with them to form an association. So what India has done? India has formed an association. India has formed an organization, a group called SAARC. SAARC means South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Now if you see the SAARC, SAARC, this is a short form of the full, what is this full form? South Asian. South means South, Asian means Asia. Asia, you know, the continent. Association means a cognization for regional cooperation, means to cooperate with each other, to stay with each other together, to share the problems of our neighboring countries. We have formed an association called SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So you have two questions. One is, who are our neighbors? Mark them on your map. And question number 2, what is SAARC? Now just to go forward with the next page, we have to see that SAARC is a regional cooperation organization. SAARC is a short form of the full, what is this full form? South Asian. South means South, Asia, you know, the continent. Association means a cognization for regional cooperation, means to cooperate with each other, to share the problems of our neighboring countries. We have formed an association called SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So you have two questions. One is, who are our neighbors? Mark them on your map. And question number 2, what is SAARC? Now just to go forward with the next page, we have to see there are certain exercise in your book. I believe lot of you have bought the book, but if you have not, I can explain you what is the next topic after this. It is to recall few things. Now you all know these things, what you have to recall in this. India is located in the southern part of Asia. You know that. India is the 7th largest and the 2nd most populated country in the world. The different physical features of India include how many physical features? I will not explain, you know that. And India has 28 states and how many union territories? 8, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. And India has unity in diversity, and India has good relations with its neighbors. And the key terms which you have to write in your copy, this is the third question you have to write. Question number 3, what is a you have already done, it's not to be written, continents and all that, you know. So these are the only 2 questions. I can give you few fill-ups, but I am sure you have not yet bought the book, so it will be difficult for you to do it. So just do these 2 questions. I make beautiful map, and I really love to see your work when I see your maps. Thank you.